Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chibella here. Guys, if you're all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle vlogs, that's vlog, okay? This channel is for you. So all you have to do is click the subscribe button, all right, and join this amazing family. Okay guys, today's video is all about unboxing my Louboutin Kate pumps. Yeah guys, you're going to be unboxing it with me, okay? So let's baby, take my hand, I want you to be my guys. Here it is. Yeah guys, let's unbox this. I just hope you can see me. So the first thing you're going to see is this, I guess, and then a dust bag. Oh, it actually has two dust bags. Here's the second one, and then it came with an instruction card, I guess. Do not remove the, oh okay, I think it's talking about the shoe. If you're not going to wear this, all right, I'm wearing it anyway. This is it guys. Okay, let's get this out of here. Okay, I'm so excited, like I'm super excited guys, like woo. Guys, I'm so happy, like I've been waiting for this shoe because I ordered this shoe. I didn't like walk into, I stay in, I'm a Nigerian and I live in Nigeria, okay? And also it's not all the time you see like luxury shops here in Nigeria where you can just walk in and pick up some certain things. You have to like order online, okay? Or maybe if you travel, you get it when you travel out. But yeah, I ordered this and guys, I'm just so happy. Okay, there's a seal under it. Let me take this out. Yeah, that's so strong. Okay, yeah guys, this is it. I'm too dramatic. I'm so let me keep this here. I'm so dramatic guys. This is it. Like, let me get this out. Just throw this down here. What? Guys, it's here, like finally. Oh my god, oh my god, this, the truth is I've had this delivered to me, but I wanted to do a proper unboxing video with you guys. That was why I just waited to do this now, and yeah, I'm doing this now. And guys, this took forever. I don't want to make this video long by going into the stories of what happened. You know, I bought this from an online Instagram vendor, okay? But guys, I knew what I went through to get this because the person wasn't honest, okay? She wasn't an honest person and it took forever to get to me. But that's not the point now because I'm so happy I finally got these shoes, because I needed a shoe, like not just any black shoe. I needed a pumps. Like I kept asking myself, what pumps am I going to get from a very good luxury brand that's going to last very well for me and is going to look so sophisticated, you know, classy, elegant, you know. And I said to myself, oh, Louboutin, right? Like red bottoms. I was like, okay, fine, I'm going to buy this. And that was when I said to like start saving up. Yeah, I saved up for these shoes, guys. I saved up for it, not from my personal savings. Like I saved up personally to buy these shoes. Okay, I don't advise you to use all your hard-earned personal savings just to buy a shoe. No, don't do that, sis. Don't do that. But guys, without me going back and forth, I saved for this shoe and I'm happy I did, because guys, it's really worth it. Okay, it's really worth it. I'm so happy. Like I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Honestly, I love these shoes. Let me get the other leg. Sorry, guys. I'm so happy, like super excited. Let me take this off. Okay, so sticky. Yeah, guys. Woo. Let me take this off too. Yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Like I love these shoes. I've not even tried it on yet. I'm going to try it on now and show you guys. And yeah, I just hope it's my exact size, because watching other YouTube videos, people talking about and reviewing this pumps, they always say it's big, you know, it has so much space, or it's the shoe it sizes down and it sizes up. But I'm not aware of that yet, because I haven't put this on yet. I haven't tried it. So when I just do that now, you guys are going to see it, and I'm about doing that right now. So let's try this on. Okay, first of all, before I try this on, guys, if you know you have like a business event, meetings, or maybe your graduation, or maybe, let's say, opening, if you're into real estate, guys, I just recommend these pumps for you, because when you wear this and step in, guys, people will respect you. I'm being dramatic, but guys, come on. Like, to me, this is the best pumps you can wear for those kind of occasions. Okay, yeah, so let's try this on right now. Okay, so guys, this is it. As you all can see, I just checked now, and this is what the sizing down stuff I was even talking about. I think I would have bought a size 38 instead of 39. My actual size is 39, guys, but I can actually put on a size 38. That if I'm wearing something that is if I'm wearing a shoe that is a wide fit. But yeah, it doesn't really matter. I'm still going to wear this because I just walked around the room now, and yeah, I can walk despite the little space here. And yeah, if I'm going to get uncomfortable with it, I'm just going to buy a shoe, what's it called, I've forgotten the name, that I can put inside the shoe, the pumps, and then put in my feet, and it's just going to draw my heel backwards. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys. It's just a very tiny space. It can see my little finger. Yeah, very tiny space, so it's not really a big deal. But and I can still wear it like this. I don't even think I'll be buying any other thing or trying to even feel bad about it, because I can actually walk with it like this. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm so happy about this. Okay, yeah, guys, I ended up getting the foam shoe filler inserts to like make the shoe my perfect size, as you can see. So that's all. Baby, take my hand, I want you to be my